I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Esther Highborn, Chapter President. Esmeralda Delgado Mendoza, Chapter Vice President. Alina Maria Mamalejo, Chapter Secretary. And Giselle Oliva, Chapter Public Relations Officer.
As your name is called, please step forward and approach the stage. Alexia Castillo. Frida Celis Grace. Eric Dorantes. Adamaris Esparza. Alyssa Prince. Brian Rodriguez. Isabel Trinidad.
At this time, will the new inductees please raise your right hand and join me in reciting the pledge. I pledge to uphold the high purposes of National Honor Society, to which I have been selected. I will be true to the principles for which it stands, and always maintain and encourage the high standards of scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Congratulations, new members. You may now blow out your candles and remain standing.
Ladies and gentlemen, members of the Eisenhower staff, esteemed parents and guardians, and most importantly, our exceptional students. Today we gather here to celebrate a momentous occasion and achievement for a group of outstanding individuals. It is with great pride and admiration that I extend my heartfelt congratulations to our students who have been inducted into the National Honor Society. This honor is a testament to your unwavering commitment to the 4 pillars of the National Honor Society: scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Each of you has demonstrated exceptional dedication to academic excellence, and your thirst for knowledge is truly commendable. Your leadership qualities have shone brightly in your school and community, inspiring others to follow your path. Your commitment to service has touched the lives of many, making a positive impact on our school and beyond. Your character, the foundation of your success, is a shining example for all of us to follow. But let us not forget the incredible support of the parents and guardians here today. Your guidance and love have played a pivotal role in molding these young scholars into remarkable individuals they are today. Your dedication to the education and personal growth is immeasurable. To our students, as you enter this prestigious society, I encourage you to carry these values with you, not only within the walls, but throughout your lives. Continue to strive for excellence and lead by example. Serve your communities and uphold the highest standards of character. Once again, congratulations to our inductees and heartfelt thanks to the parents and guardians who have nurtured their potential. We look forward to witnessing the remarkable impact you will undoubtedly make in the world. Thank you, and make your futures as bright as your potential suggests. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Blakeley. I would also like to thank our advisor, Ms. Burmeister, and the senior members of the National Honor Society for their hand and work in organizing this year's induction ceremony and installation of officers. Also, thank you to all the administration and families and friends who came out to support us tonight. Please join me in thanking them with a round of applause.
Thank you, Esther, and thank you all for attending our ceremony this evening. This concludes tonight's events. After a group picture of our newest members, and then we'll take one with the entire group. The 2023-24 NHS members will be free to leave with you to continue celebrating as you wish. Now, will everyone please rise to recognize our newest members of the National Honor Society.